Pig, back for some numeracy. We are talking about the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you show me 3 on a hand? Can you show me 3 a different way on your hand? Can you show me 3 but use 2 hands? 1. Oh, look at that. So we're going to get some counters and stuff, and we're going to sort groups of 3s. So I have my beads, and I have some shells, and I have a weird spring, and a Christmas ornament. So I'm going to see about sorting into groups of 3 and kind of maybe make sense on what I'm sorting. So the first group of 3 I'm going to sort, I'm going to do it based on color. Can you guess what color I chose? Blue. So there's my first group of 3. And that makes sense to me because I decided to do blue beads. They're all the same. Now I'm going to look at my shells. Aren't those pretty? And I'm thinking I'm going to do a group of 3 shells because that makes sense to me as well. Now, these are random, but I can do a group of 3 random things, and they don't have to have all that in common. They can just be odds or randoms. So there's my group of 3 random things. Yeah, I'm going to try one more, and I'm going to ask you to guess what might I have chosen for my next group of 3. 1, 2, 3. Why did I group those together? Did you say because they were shiny, cleary blue gems? Whoop! You are correct. You might have said because they were round, because they're hard. All right, so I want you to look around, and I want you to make as many groups of 3 as you can and be able to explain why you grouped those things together. All right, have a beautiful time, and I will see you soon.